I'm in Florida for NAREIT's 2019 ESG Forum. Joining me today is Sam Adams, CEO and co-founder of Vert Asset Management. Sam, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Matt. It's great to be here.
Now, can you just start by briefly discussing your company's mission?
So Vert's mission is to make sustainable investing easier so that more investors move more money to be invested on a sustainable basis. This will encourage companies to start adopting more sustainable behaviors, we hope.
Now, in your experience, why do you think sustainable-focused investors should be looking at REITs?
Well, the story around sustainability in real estate is really compelling. Sustainable investors think about the triple bottom line. Obviously, they want profits, but they want better outcomes for people and planet as well. And in real estate, the opportunities abound. So for the planet, we can reduce our energy use. You know, real estate, the built environment uses over a third of the world's energy and creates over 25% of the greenhouse gases. But we know how to reduce that. We can use LED lighting, we have better insulation, we have smart sensors. So we can do that. We know how to build buildings better for people that are healthier, they can create more interactivity. And lots of times, these initiatives for people and planet are profitable. So you reduce the energy bill, you reduce the greenhouse gases, but you're paying less in your utilities. And so there's more money there. And a green building certification is a larger upfront investment, but people recognize that that's a better outcome for healthier, more productive tenants. And so they're willing to pay higher rents, and so the buildings are worth more. So it ticks the boxes of people, planet, and profit.
Now, the investors that are looking at REITs, what are the types of things that they're looking as they're making their investment decisions?
Well, the first thing is that it has to fit their investment program, right? So you need a successful investment experience, so they need that program, the investments that they invest in to not be too expensive, to have the same risk and return characteristics as a conventional investment. That's the first thing. And the second thing is they want authenticity. They want to actually be invested in sustainable companies that are doing innovative things around sustainability. And they want the managers of their investments to push for those things as well. So active shareholder engagement and industry advocacy is an important part of that as well.
And lastly, can you talk a little bit about climate risk and the role that real estate and REITs can play moving forward?
Yeah, real estate is really on the front seat of this discussion, which is a discussion sustainable investors and conventional investors are having because, you know, when the storm comes or the flood comes, we can move ourselves and we can often move our businesses, but we can't move the buildings, right? And so real estate and REITs in particular can take a leadership role here in identifying these risks and then coming up with mitigation plans and recovery strategies. You know, so these risks we're not going to be able to avoid, so we're going to have to learn how to manage them. And you know, real estate's in the front seat there.
Sam, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
For more on this and other ESG-related topics, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.